Paano ang kalkulasyon kung ilang oras i-charge ang ating battery at ang current nito? At kung ilang oras itatagal ng ating battery? Okay, example, 100 Ah, 12 volts gel lead acid battery. Ito yung ating specification or datasheet. 12 volt, 100 Ah by 10 hour. So formula, charging time of battery is equals to battery AH divided by charging current. T is equals to AH divided by ampere. Where is time T? AH, ampere hour. A is current, ampere. First, let's compute the charging current of 100 Ah at 10 hour battery. 100 ampere hour divided by 10 is equals to 10 ampere. So, yan yung ating charging current. Okay, but due to some losses, we may take 11 to 12 amperes for battery charging purpose instead of 10 amps. So, charging time for 100 Ah battery, 100 divided by 12 ampere is equals to 8.33 hours. Medyo matagal. Practically, it has been noted that 40% of losses during battery charging. And then, compute natin 100 Ah times 40% losses. Therefore, 100 plus 40 is equals to 140 ampere hour. And then, charging time of battery, Ah divided by charging current. In real cases, 140 Ah divided by 12 ampere is 11.67 hours. So, therefore, yung 100 Ah battery natin, ma-charge natin within 11.67 hours. Sa 12 amp charging current. Okay, question. Mapupuno ba ang battery kung 4 to 5 lang ang sun peak hours dito sa Pilipinas? Ang sagot, kung susundin natin yung ating 50% DOD, mapupull charge natin dahil 50% na lang yung kailangan nating i-charge. Yan, 4.17 hours. So, pag hindi, abutin tayo ng 2 days para ma-charge natin yung ating battery. Okay, now let's proceed to autonomy or runtime of a battery. Let's convert energy in watt hours. So, ito yung ating formula. Watt hour is equals to ampere hour multiplied by nominal voltage. 100 times 12 volts equals to 1,200 watt hour. So, divide natin sa 2 dahil sa 50% DOD, 600 watt hour na lang. Okay, runtime. Ito yung ating formula. Watt hour divided by power or watts, your consumption. So, sample, 200 watts, 600 divided by 200 watts. So, 3 hours ang itatagal ng ating battery. Basically, yung runtime natin will depends on our consumption, kung gaano kalaki yung ating consumption. Yan guys, kung nagustuhan nyo, like and comment, and then standby sa iba pa nating mga videos. Thank you!